What's up, guys? Welcome back to RayRayCanDoIt. My name is Ray. Glad y'all could join me. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the SeeSii vibration tile tool. It is a tool used to install porcelain ceramic tile. So we will get this unboxed, take a look at everything, put it to test, and see how it does. Guys, please like, subscribe, comment on my channel. Definitely appreciate it. My channel is growing thanks to you guys. So we have a lot of big stuff coming up in the future. So y'all just hang tight and enjoy the ride. This was sent to me by SeeSii. I did not pay for this. They sent this out, wanted me to test it. So I said, okay, sure, I'll put it to the test. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Well, first things I like, comes in a carrying case. That is awesome. Throw this away. SeeSii Power Tools. Nice, hard plastic carrying case. Here is the tool. It's a tile vibration tool. It's a model K-919B, as in Bravo. It's got 12 gear settings. Suction cup diameter is 285 by 155 millimeters. Tile range is 30 to 230 centimeters. It's aluminum disc, aluminum handle. 200 milliamp hour capacity. Charging time 1.5 to 2 hours. Rated voltage 18.5 volts. So all right. Here is the tool. Well packaged. Has a nice rubber base on it for the suction. Looks like the sticker got too hot in shipping somewhere and kind of peeled off. So let's go ahead and see if we can push that down. Might have to super glue that back down if that doesn't stay. I don't know if that's from the heat or what. So, all right, that's down there. Okay, it has a level bubble right here that shows where your levelness is when you set your tile. Number 2, right here is your power on, adjust vibration speed. Right here is your vibration speed, power on. This right here is your electric suction. And then this button right here is your vibration. Now to release the suction, you have a little tab right here to release the suction. All right, it comes with 2 batteries. 1, 2. These are 21 volt. About drop it. These are 21 volt, 2 amp hour batteries. Comes with 2 of them and a charging cord. Let's go ahead and get these charged up. Has 3 out of 4 bars. So let's go ahead and stick this bad boy in. Let's go ahead and put it in. Gosh, dang, that's tight. Might have to use it a couple times. All right, put it in. Turn on the power. Goes 1 through 12 for your speed, suction. So the vibration, you push and hold for it to vibrate. All right, guys. I don't have any tile, so I do have a piece of metal right here that we're going to use. Got a smooth surface. This is going to be our pretend tile for this video for right now until we get on the job to use this. You're going to take your vibration tool, hit the power button. Your speed, that's your vibration speed. The higher you go, the more it vibrates. Go to 12. So we'll go to 1 just for this purpose. You're going to take your tool. You're going to hit the suction button. Push down for about 3 to 5 seconds. You'll hear the suction pump change tone. That's when you know you got a suction. It is holding on. You cannot pull this off, I promise you. If you put this on your belly, it'd give you a heck of a hickey. When you're done, push the suction button. Pump shuts off. Wait a second or two. Grab this tab right here that's on the right side of the suction machine. Pull it, releases it. Let's do this again. Set it on the tile. Hit the suction button. Push down 3 to 5 seconds. You'll hear the suction pump change sound. It has it. Now when you set your tile down, you're going to set it down in your mud bed and you're going to hit your vibration button. Let me go ahead and increase the vibration to about 6. That way you can adjust your tile and push it down into the mud bed for a good adhesion. When you're done, press the suction button, wait a couple seconds, come on this right side, pull the tab, comes right off. Very, very simple, guys. As you can see in the videos, we put this tool to the test. This is the SeeSii Power Tools Tile Vibration Tool. This thing grabs a hold of freaking tiles like nothing else. I mean, it grabs, holds on. It is solid. The suction on this thing works great. I'm not a tile setter. I do not do tile work. So I have a buddy of mine that does tile. I let him use it for the day to set some pretty massive tiles, as you can see in the video, and he said it works great. He said the suction works great on it. The vibration setting on it to set the tile down in the thin set, he said was awesome. He's used other tools similar to this, and he said is very comparable to that. The only issue he had with it is releasing the suction. This one here, whenever you go to release the suction, you have to pull this tab. So if you're down here, you set your tile, you go to release it, you pull the tab. As you can see, it's pulling the tool. That right there will pull your tile away from where you had it. Said throughout the day after using it, got a little dust and a little bit of thin set and stuff on the bottom. He said it released a lot better. So maybe that was just something as it was brand new, that the rubber was still virgin. Once it got broke in, it worked great. He said after that, it worked fine. So that was the only issue he had, he said, was in the very beginning, trying to release the suction when it was, you know, still a new tool. Other than that, he used it, he loved it. So definitely thumbs up in my book. SeeSii reached out to me and asked me if I would test this, and I said, sure, no problem. I did not pay for this. Would I buy it? If I set tile for a living, for sure, I would definitely buy this. Even if I had a big project to do, and I didn't do it for a living. Let's say I wanted to tile my own floors of my house. Definitely worth it. So much easier to use than trying to pick a tile up and then trying to drop it into the thin set and get it all lined up and crooked and all that. This thing right here makes your life so much easier when you're setting tile. I would definitely buy this. But guys, like I said, this thing worked out great. It helped him, especially with those big tiles he had set. Definitely A+ in my book. Guys, please like, subscribe, comment. Definitely appreciate it. I know this is a little far from what I usually do on my videos, but they reached out to me. Like I said, I've done other stuff with SeeSii in the past. Great company to work with. They asked me to check it out and say, sure, I'll check it out. So, guys, definitely appreciate watching my videos. The comments, the thumbs up, like it all. So, guys, please like, subscribe, comment. Definitely appreciate it. And we will have more videos coming soon. Has a lot of big stuff coming soon that hopefully y'all will enjoy. So, all right, guys, y'all have a great day.